Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We got an exciting day. Today we're going to be working on the beater Lexus. We're actually going to be working on our headlights. So unfortunately these were like very yellowed out. I already went ahead and got started with the other side. So we're going to go from this, bam, to that. A little cheap, I guess, resto mod right here. Just look at the difference. For reference, I already did our fog lights and just look at that. In the light and in the dark. Got those looking nice and fresh. I'm just gonna show you basically how to do it on the one headlight that's remaining. It's gonna be a bit of a process, but it'll look good. You can even do it yourself at home. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the car running so I can show you what they look like when these headlights are on. Alright guys, we're about to get started. So right now we're gonna start off with sanding down the headlight. We're gonna start off first with 800 grit. It's still pretty soft, so it won't really scratch it. We're just trying to get the yellow off of these headlights. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with that. Wet sand, preferably. So just spray that, and I'll just sand until you get most of the yellowing off and everything is nice and smooth. So we're gonna get started with that right now. Alright, now we finished sanding with our 800 grit. Most of the yellowing is off, but now you can see it's kind of foggy because of the scratches that we made with the sandpaper. So now we're going to try to remove the scratches with more scratches. What I mean by that is we went with our 800 grit. Now we're going to go to our 1500 grit, which is a much smoother sandpaper. So you're going to see a lot less of those deep scratches. Still gonna be a little bit hazy, but it's gonna be a lot smoother than what it is now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Same thing. Wet your sandpaper, wet your surface, and keep going. Alright, we just finished sanding with our 1500 grit just now. Looking a lot better. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this like little pad. It's like a very fine, it's not even sandpaper, but it is for sanding. I got this with a headlight restoration kit. This is the only thing that actually benefited from buying that. But if you could find any softer or more fine sandpaper, that would be great. If not, you could just go ahead and skip to the buffing slash polishing phase, but because I have this, I'm gonna go that extra step and go ahead and do that. So just like the other steps, just go ahead, get that, spray this, and just go ahead. Alright, just finished up full sanding. As you can see, it looks pretty good right now, but we're gonna do this a little bit better. We're gonna add just a simple polish, but it's gonna make the headlight look a lot nicer and cleaner. Plus we'll give it like a little bit of protection. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that. I prefer just putting it on the headlight. Just too lazy. So wow. I surprised myself. Just look at that shine. Super happy with the results. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the bumper on, and then I'll let you guys see how the car looks all put together with the hood down. Alright guys, just finished. I'm excited about the end product. Just check it out. As you can probably see in the camera, looks like one bulb is dying out. I mean, looks so clean compared to before. Just ignore this and this. Maybe ignore this and all of this, but I mean, looks good. So this is an easy DIY for anyone whose older car might have yellowing headlights, but me, satisfying. It's not new, but I mean, for a couple hours, not bad. Eventually we are going to change the headlights. We're for sure going to change the bumper, but I mean, it'll help us see at night, and it'll just look a lot better in the day. But thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Later.